Good morning, everyone. My name is Cinta Johnson, and I am pursuing fifth year law in BA LLB honors from MIT University. I had the opportunity to do internship in Devanshi Law and Media Company, which gives services in legal drafting sector. So I'm skilled in legal drafting skills. I got to learn about civil criminal cases and how to file uh, cases through online in Supreme Court and High Court. I got to learn about online case filing methods. I got to learn about drafting, researching. So I'm fully satisfied to take Devanshi ma'am's services, and I had the opportunity to learn how to legally draft, and I recommend to everyone to take admission here and learn how to do legal drafting. It had been a wonderful experience for me. Thank you.
Advocacy is the voice of the voiceless, the power of the powerless, and the catalyst for the change. I, Guruswami Varun, am pursuing my BLB from Amity University, Madhya Pradesh. I'm here to share my insights about my internship at Devanshi's Law and Media Firm. Heading about this, the Devanshi's Law and Media Firm provides a explicit experience about legal and the far better plenty of knowledges which has made the firm stand out. The firm has been concentrating in law and media, which is indeed for the society at this particular time. The law firm has been patterned by Ms. Devanshi, who has a humorous knowledge of legal, and every aspect of legal knowledge has been covered by her. The firm has been serving in every aspect of law, such as criminal, civil, IPR, RERA, and, and IT acts. I would like to say that the internship procured by me and the Devanshi's Law and Media firm has taught me, and the insights which I would make, which had been made me a fruitful legal intern under Miss Devanshi are I had gone through how to draft in the cases of civil, criminal, IPR, etc. I have been also furnished with the knowledge of drafting and the case filing on online, which has made me to understand the structure of the court and the court procedures. The e-courts and the e-courts had made me to procure the knowledge on virtual basis also, and I had also faced few difficulties in the e-courts websites, such as there would be a lag of internet issues which should be covered upon by the justice system. I would like to say that the internship overall has provided me a great knowledge in the field of drafting and research. I would like to conclude that the internship done under Devanshi ma'am had given me a lot of knowledge which has made me learn, grow, and contribute for her firm. I would like to say, and I would recommend my juniors and my peer members to pursue their internship under Devanshi's Law and Media firm, just because they have been giving and serving the society, which not only helps the society and also helps the students of law to pursue the legal internship and fulfill the thirst of legal internships. Thank you.
Hey there, I'm Shafali from Amity University, pursuing BLLB honors. Being in the profession of law, drafting is the most crucial thing which is required to be learned. The Devanshi Law and Media Company has given me the services to learn the drafting skills in various areas related to civil, criminal, tribunal, IPR related cases, and consumer related cases. Not only this, but they also taught me how to file a case in High Court and a Supreme Court as well. Being a successful course taker, I will strongly recommend you to take admission in Devanshi Law and Media Company to get efficient and expertise in the drafting skills. and of course you will get the certification after the successful completion of the course, and this will very beneficial for your CV as well.
जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो, ये हमारे एक स्टूडेंट ने हमें रिव्यू किया है अपनी लीगल ड्राफ्टिंग स्किल के बाद। ठीक है, रेरा, सिविल, क्रिमिनल, ट्रिब्यूनल केसेज, आईपीआर केसेज, इन्होंने कंज्यूमर केसेज, काफी जो केसेज की होती हैं, इन्होंने हमसे लीगल ड्राफ्टिंग स्किल सीखी थी। और हाई कोर्ट के भी हमने इनको, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का भी कैसे केस फाइल करते हैं, कैसे ड्राफ्ट करते हैं, सिखाया था। ठीक है, और इन्हें अपना रिव्यू दिया है। दे आर सेटिस्फाइड फ्रॉम आवर सर्विस। यदि आप भी हमारे से सर्विस लेना चाहें, लीगल ड्राफ्टिंग कैसे करते हैं, कैसे केस ऑनलाइन फाइलिंग करते हैं, हाई कोर्ट में, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, ट्रिब्यूनल में, कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में, तो आप हमसे सीख सकते हैं। नीचे आपको हमारा कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल मिल जाएगा, आप कॉन्टैक्ट करके हमें अपना जो भी लीगल ड्राफ्टिंग सीखना चाहते हैं सीख सकते हैं। यदि आप लॉयर हैं या लॉ स्टूडेंट हैं या आप लॉ बैकग्राउंड से नहीं भी हैं, तब भी आप हमसे लीगल ड्राफ्टिंग स्किल सीख सकते हैं और केस कैसे ऑनलाइन फाइलिंग करते हैं वो भी हमसे सीख सकते हैं। तो कैसी लगी मेरी वीडियो मुझे जरूर बताइएगा, और यदि आप सीखना चाहते हो तो हमें अप्रोच